back. Thanks for stopping by. So today I finished putting these square boxes together, like you can see right here, and then went ahead and started finishing those. So got 3 done, another one here, and there. So what you gotta do is, had to measure these, which took forever. And then I messed up a couple times, so I had to fix that. And then you mount, once you make all your marks, you mount the square box, double check everything that's where you want it. So this is 7 foot between these two, and then 8 foot one between these. And then once you get all that screwed to the ceiling, and then you go grab the light. It's a little flat panel. It basically just fits right in between this little groove right there. It's like ½ an inch thin. So you take off one of these corners, not the one that you screwed up, but the other side. Take that down, hook the light up, and then you just stick it back in there and then put the cover back on. So it goes a lot smoother making it up than it does putting the boxes up, because you gotta get all the measurements just right. So anyways, worked on these. That's what I did today, so. Alright guys, so some guy came in, so I just cut it off. But anyways, the second part was some other work that my coworkers were doing, hanging these other 8 foot and 4 foot, it looks like, hanging lights. So those don't look too bad. It looks like they did a good job on that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel once again. Don't forget about the giveaway, which is still going on until we hit 1,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to hit 1,000 by Sunday, hopefully, or Saturday night. So hopefully you guys can help me out, and hopefully you guys will enter into the giveaway. Hopefully you win, and that about wraps up today's video, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me out. Oh, and hopefully you guys leave a comment. Hopefully I can get some interaction with you guys. It's been pretty dead lately, but thanks for stopping by nonetheless. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you guys later. One more thing I forgot to mention. Thanks for everyone that stopped by the live stream last night. I think there was like 10 to 15 people that showed up total. I'm not sure. That was just a lucky guess. But also, I want to say I had a really great day. The lights were very tedious, but I did mess up a few times, so that did add to the problem. But overall, it was a really good day. I love the schedules. 6 in the morning to 1 p.m. It just makes the day feel so fast. Maybe also the fact that I'm eating lunch at like 11 o'clock, and then we just come back to work for like an hour and a half. So, loving it. Doesn't really feel like work unless I think about it. I mean, obviously, when I'm struggling, it kind of sucks, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really feel like I even worked, and I just love that feeling. So, work's been going great, life's been going great, and can't wait. I got 3 more work days, and then I'm leaving town, going to the East Coast, y'all. So, let's get to it. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's going to be great. It's going to be a lot of driving, so hopefully I'm not in over my head, but all right, guys, that's it. Thanks. See you later.